I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering on the crown and selecting its Bluetooth input. This primes the radio. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and make it discoverable so the crown can see it. Check the crown's firmware and any companion app for updates because compatibility issues often block pairing. Once done, place devices within 3-5 meters with no heavy interference. Make sure battery levels are sufficient. Low power can reduce signal strength and cause dropouts while you try to establish the first link. You now perform the pairing sequence. Open your phone's Bluetooth menu and scan for nearby devices. When you see the crown's name, tap it. If a PIN appears, enter the default shown in the manual or confirm the code on both devices. The crown may show a blinking LED while negotiating profiles, then change to a solid light when connected. If using an app, verify the connection there too. Make sure audio routing is set to the crown, so playback uses the paired link. You finish by playing a test track and adjusting the crown's volume along with your phone's output to get clean levels. This confirms audio, path, and gain staging. If pairing fails, forget the crown on your phone and repeat the pairing steps. That clears stale entries. For persistent issues, power cycle both devices and, if needed, reset the crown's Bluetooth module per the manual. This often clears firmware-level faults. If problems persist, try another phone to isolate whether the crown or the phone is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.